Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola G75, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now on one of the pages you should have the Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it is visible on the first page right over here, and once you see yours, you want to, first time around, hold it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function. I'm only going to talk about a couple of the options located in here, just so I don't waste too much time. So number one would be the schedule mode. Here you can obviously enable your fully automatic schedule, choose the day of the week, and start and end time. And if you're planning to use that, just make sure that it is toggled on in here, and the device will do everything else for you. For people that want to use it manually, I recommend checking out this option right here, Duration for Quick Settings, which allows you to change what happens when you manually enable it. By default it is set to run until you turn it off, which for me, not a very good option, as I would just forget about it. So I personally like the timed option, 1 hour. We can increase it to maybe something like 4 hours as an example. And now whenever you manually enable it, it will run for 4 hours, at which point it's going to turn itself off. The reason I like that is because if I forget about it, 4 hours, I find that it's long enough to cover whatever I might need it for, so I don't need to worry that will that be long enough or not. So 4 hours, enough to cover whatever I need, plus maybe just a little bit of time extra. And then whenever I would enable it, like so, it tells me that it's going to turn itself off at 11:29 p.m. But obviously if I'm done needing it before that timer runs out, I can just tap on it once again. So I have this peace of mind that it's going to turn itself off if I forget about it. So pretty nifty option right here. So you also see how you can turn it on and off. So you tap on it to toggle it on and tap on it again to turn it off. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.